Okay, welcome back. Let's open a new page. Open a new page, part, and okay. Now this time I'm gonna to continue with right plane, normal to rectangle, start from origin point and make a rectangle, dimension, dimension. This one is 162 and the height is, it seems that it is 96. Okay, ISO, extrude, let's extrude. I can't read this number, but it seems that it is 25. Let's continue as 25 and confirm. Now select this plane, normal to sketch corner rectangle. From this corner make a rectangle, dimension, height of this rectangle is 96 minus 76, it is 20. Yeah, this one is 20, and from here to here is given as 25 plus 36, it is 61. ISO, feature, cut extrude, and let's take this one as true all. Now select this edge and chamfer. Distance 21, 25 and 25. And confirm. Now we are gonna continue on this plane, normal to, let's make a rectangle here. This one is 36 and here to here is 96. It should be black, isometric, feature, and extrude this one as I don't know, it's 9. It seems that it is 9. Okay, yeah, that's 9. Confirm. Continue on this plane, normal to rectangle, dimension, this one is 38, here to here is given as 19. Okay, isometric, feature, and extrude as 8. Select this plane, normal to, and make a rectangle, make a circle, sorry. This circle is 16. Here to here is 18, and here is 19. It should be black. ISO, feature, and cut, extrude, true. Now here, this is number 4 on your paper. It's a very simple part. Okay, Normally in the class I'm not doing this part, but since we are trying to prepare the videos, I try to show this video for you, this part for you. Hope it will be constructive for your future parts. Now I'm gonna to continue by a new part. Now let's start on top, normal 2, and we are gonna to create a rectangle. This one is 88 and here is 128. Isometric, feature and extrude. You should extrude it at 38 and confirm. Now you take your model and select this plane, normal 2, sketch, find the midpoint of this line and make a circle. Radius of this circle is 32, is given as 32, so diameter is 64. Okay, isometric, feature, extrude, change direction and put extrude as 30, I think. Yeah, it is 30. Yeah, this is the 30. Confirm. Now come to here, select here, normal 2, again in sketch, find the midpoint and make a circle. This one is 40. Okay, ISO, features, cut extrude, up to surface, and you should select this surface and confirm. Select this plane, normal 2, sketch, make a circle. Now select this circle, control this one, and let's say this one is concentric. Diameter of this circle is 30. ISO, you can see we have a sketch on circle on here, and you may go to feature and cut extrude through all. Okay, now select here, normal 2, sketch and rectangle. Make this rectangle, height of this rectangle is 32. ISO, feature, cut extrude by 10. This one is 10. Now I have the part. If you check the paper, I have a very small hole here. I'm gonna to show you how we can create this hole, but it is a bit difficult to create this hole because this one is the curve. It is not possible to make a circle on the curve. That's why we need to create a plane. Now I'm gonna to select this one and reference geometry and plane. Okay, distance of this plane is not important actually, but it should be a bit bigger than the radius of this circle. Now it looks very fine. We can select this one. In my case it is 85. You may select 60, for example. Can I? Yeah, it is 60 is quite enough. isometric, and confirm. Now we made a plane here. Now select the plane, normal to, and make a circle on this plane. Look, this is the circle. Here is the diameter of this circle is 6. It's a very normally this circle is for lubrication. This one is 6. Okay. Now let's say this one to this edge it is 15. Okay, and here to here should be considered at 44. Okay, it will be black. Now have a look isometrically to the part. We made a hole here, okay, circle here, and we wanted to make a cut extrude. Now feature cut extrude up to surface. Which surface? Try to select the inner side of the hole. Look, because I need to cut this circle. It is not true all. If it is true all, we should have some circles here, but it's not any circle in here. That's why we are gonna to cut extrude up to true using up to surface, and we are gonna to select inner side of the part. Now if I hide this plane, this part is number 5 in my paper. Now I'm gonna to open a new page, part. Okay, let's start with front, normal to, and rectangle. As you can see, most of the time I'm preferring to start with a rectangle. Okay, in some cases if you be professional, instead of rectangle you can create this sketch by the lines, but here much better to use rectangles. This one is 96, and here is in the paper it seems that it is 108, 108. Okay, now isometric and extrude. You should extrude it as 30. Select this plane, normal to, sketch, and circle. Find the midpoint of this line and try to create a circle up to corner. It should be black. Okay, ISO, this one. Let's say extrude, change direction. This should be 30. Okay, fine. Now isometric. Now rotate your model and select this plane, normal to, and this time use rectangle, and from this corner make a rectangle. Now you should say this line is equal with this line, and here to here is 75. If you do so, this one will be black. ISO, extrude, change direction, and the height here is 32. Confirm. Okay, nice. Now select this edge, chamfer, distance. One of these distances is 28. Okay, the other one is 32. I don't know which one is 22 and which one is 32, but if you check, if you put here the numbers, you can check. Okay, this one, look, this one is 28, but in my case it is not 28, so this one is 32 and this one is 23. So you should the check. Okay, now it's quite good. Now we can make a chamfer. Rotate your model and select this plane. Make a rectangle. This one is 10. Yeah, it is 10. And this one is 18. Okay. ISO, you should use cut extrude and the through all. Okay. Now we are going to continue on this plane. Normal 2, sketch, and straight slot. Make a straight slot. Be careful, this line should be vertical. Yeah. Now this one is 54. Length of this line is 54. Okay. This one is 16. Radius is 16. Yeah. And this circle is concentric with this circle. If you do so, this one will be black. Okay. ISO, features, and now you should do cut extrude through all. Now this one is number 6 on your paper. I try to finalize this paper. I will open a new space on your portal for uploading these files to the systems. Definitely you have a week, one more than I will give the deadline as next Friday, I think. Okay, you have to do this parts. Okay, as much as I found times, I will try to share more videos with you. Hope everybody is healthy and hope everybody is fine. Say hello to your family. Good luck to you.